Thank you for purchasing the Nextel i550 Plus. It's a digital cellular phone, text and numeric pager, and digital two-way radio complete with advanced features that make it the most efficient communications tool for business professionals. The dynamic features of the i550 Plus can make you more productive than ever before. We'll walk you through each feature to help you get started. And be sure to reference the user guide for more information.
Well, Bob, it's great to have you join our team.
I'm glad to be here.
Let me introduce you to Claire, because she's the one who really runs this place. Claire, if you get a minute, could you please teach Bob here the ropes?
Well, I'd be glad to.
Thank
How you
you.
doing, Bob?
Claire.
Nice to meet you. Well, one of the first things you're going to have to learn about is this, the Nextel i550 Plus.
A cell phone?
Mm-hmm.
Why is this so important?
Well, when you learn to use this, your job will be much easier.
Great. How do I get started?
To get started, you'll need to insert your battery and charge it. First, unlatch the battery cover by lifting the latch at the bottom of the phone in the direction of the arrow. Slide the cover down and lift it off. Now, insert the battery with the plus and minus symbol at the top. Reposition the back cover with the M logo at the top and slide it into place. Press down on the latch until you hear it click. To charge the battery, first position the i550 Plus facing you. Connect the charger into the left side of the phone and plug it into an AC outlet. To get the maximum use from the battery, charge it for at least 10 hours before you use it for the first time. Subsequent charges will take less time. You'll see 3 bars on the battery strength indicator when the phone is fully charged. The first time you turn on the phone, be sure you're in your local calling area. This will register the phone properly on the Nextel national network. Press and hold the on button for a few seconds. The LED indicator lights up. The i550 Plus automatically signs on to the Nextel national network, and you're ready to go.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, thanks for the update.
Okay, my phone's ready.
Well, let's start with the multifunction keypad. If you had a separate button for everything, that phone would get pretty big. So instead, there are menus and option function keys.
This is a lot more than just a cell phone.
Yes, it is.
Many functions are activated by the multifunction keypad. The mode key selects different operating modes, such as the phone mode and the Nextel Direct Connect Private or Group mode. The menu key moves through different options available within each operating mode. The option keys select the menu option that appears on the lower right or left side of the display. Use the scroll keys to move backward or forward through the menu options and lists. The volume control buttons, located on the left side, are used to adjust the volume levels of the phone. The push-to-talk button is used to communicate via digital two-way radio technology called Nextel Direct Connect. Icons appear on the display to indicate operating features such as signal strength, battery strength, voicemail, and paging. Phone numbers and messages are displayed here. To make a call, enter a phone number using the keypad. If you make a mistake, you can backspace by pressing the left scroll key once for each digit. Press the Send End key to send the call.
Angela's got those drawings at the site.
Good. Let's call her right away.
Hello?
Hello, Angela.
The client loved the changes.
When you receive a call, just press the Send End key, any numeric key, star, or pound to answer. To end the call, press the Send End key again.
So you're saying the i550 Plus is also a digital two-way radio?
Yep, it's called Nextel Direct Connect. You can reach coworkers in the Nextel local calling area using the person's private ID.
Private ID?
Well, it's a unique number that Nextel gives to every customer who uses Nextel Direct Connect. The private ID number is used instead of a phone number for digital Direct Connect two-way radio calls.
Well, why don't you just make a phone call?
Well, because with Nextel Direct Connect, you can talk to 1 or up to 100 coworkers right away and at a fraction of the cost of traditional cellular.
Nextel's Direct Connect allows you to instantly reach coworkers in your local calling area. With the push of one button, you can reach them when you don't want to send a page or leave a message. To use Direct Connect Private Call, press Mode until the Private Ready message appears. Enter a private ID using the keypad, or when you have a programmed list, you can press the Option key under Name. Next, press and hold the Push to Talk button, wait for the chirp sound, and speak into the microphone. Release the Push to Talk button to listen. The call ends automatically a few seconds after the conversation ends.
Claire, can I get in touch with Simmons right away? We need a sign-off on the design within the hour.
Well, he's in with a client. Send him a Direct Connect call alert.
You can use the Call Alert feature to privately alert individuals you are trying to reach when they are not expecting your call. To use Call Alert, press the Mode key until the Private Ready screen appears. Press the Option key under Alert. Then press the Push to Talk button.
Claire, what's Bob's private ID?
It's 5767.
Let me program that into my phone list. Oh, by the way, can you help me get the rest of the team together? Simmons has requested a meeting.
Bob, how's it going?
Great.
That's good. Well, listen, I haven't had a chance to check my voicemail, so why don't I do that while you set up your phone list?
Okay. Do you have a copy of the Nextel User's Guide? I may need it as a reference.
Right here.
Great, thanks.
See you later.
Nextel Voicemail takes your calls when you are unavailable. You can set up voicemail from your Nextel phone or from a regular phone. To set up your voicemail for the first time, dial your Nextel personal telephone number. The system will prompt you to enter your password. You should enter the last 7 digits of your Nextel phone number. This is your temporary password. Then simply follow the tutorial to create your password, record your name, and greeting. When you hear, "Enjoy using Nextel voicemail," your mailbox setup is complete. When you receive a new voicemail message, new voicemail waiting is displayed. An icon flashes, and an audible notification rings every 30 seconds. You can listen to your message immediately by pressing the Option key under Dial. Or listen to it later by pressing the Option key under Exit. The icon will stop flashing. To retrieve these messages later, press the Option key under Mail, then press the Option key under OK. The screen displays the number of new and total messages in your mailbox. Press the Option key under Dial, and you will automatically be prompted through the system.
Eric, has Simmons signed off on those changes yet?
Yeah, he signed off.
Yes, okay. Call Angela just to give her the status, and then get everybody together.
Okay.
Text and numeric paging allows you to receive text and numeric pages on your i550 Plus handset. Text and numeric pages may also be sent through Nextel's website at nextel.com and via email from a personal computer.
All right.
When you receive a new text or numeric page, you will see New Mail, Read on the display. The mail icon flashes and an audible notification rings every 30 seconds. You can read the message now or later. To view the message now, press the Option key under Now. To read the complete message, press Read. Then you may erase or save the message. To save the message and read it later, press the Option key under Later. You may check your messages later by pressing the Option key under Mail. Then scroll down to Message Mail and press the Option key under OK. If the message contains a phone number, you may press Send and the number will be automatically dialed. We've touched on the key things you need to know to get started. Remember, Nextel gives you a lot of communication features in one phone. For further details on using your i550 Plus, refer to the user guide. Or view the guide online at nextel.com. And if you need any i550 Plus accessories, call Nextel Next Day Accessories at 1-800-914-3240. If you have any questions with your phone or service, call customer care at 1-800-639-6111 or dial 611 from your Nextel phone. Thank you for choosing Nextel as your wireless communications provider.